Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss orthographic projections of lines. In this we are going to discuss about traces problems, means with a given trace dimension we are going to find the whole solution. So now I am going to discuss this question from this textbook, Basant Agarwal textbook, exercise 9b and problem number 9.30. Here let me read out the question for you. The front view of the line PQ measures 60 mm. These P dash Q dash is 60 mm and it is inclined at 45 degrees. Means the front view angle is given, not the true angle in HP. So here this angle is considered as alpha, means projected angle. So projected angle alpha is equal to 45 degrees to the reference line. The end P is 10 mm above the HP, means above the HP it is 10 mm, means P dash. So P dash would be at a distance of 10 mm from the reference line XY. Next, vertical trace of the line is 15 mm and it is below the HP, means below XY line. If the line PQ is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP, now the true line inclination is given, means phi is equal to 30 degrees. And we have to find the projections and we have to find the other elements like true length, inclination with the HP, means there is theta, and locate the traces, means already one of the trace is given over here, vertical trace, and we have to find the horizontal trace distance and other elements like distance between the projectors and front view, top view and other angles. Let me discuss the basic method of projection of lines inclined to both planes. Here first we have to locate the position of the points over here and here, that is already given in the question. Suppose this data is given for the question, we have to find all this data. So this is a basic approach of projection of lines. If you want a clarification on this method, you can go for a previous videos in my channel. You will be getting a better clarification on this method, how to draw this projections of lines inclined to both planes when theta plus phi is less than 90 degrees. Okay, where theta is 45 degrees and phi is 30 degrees. By summation of this we will be getting 75 degrees, means that is less than 90 degrees. So if you want clarity, you can go for the previous video. I'll give a link here in this video down, so you can go through that. So let's start the problem. I'll be extracting the given data from this question. So front view is P dash Q dash, that is 60 mm and alpha 45 degrees, and P is 10 mm and other data. So I have written over here the given data line PQ is given, P dash Q dash 60, alpha 45, P dash is 10 mm above the HP, vertical trace is 50 mm below XY, and phi is 30 degrees. So here we have to find the true length, top view, that is PQ, small pq, true inclination, that is theta, and top view projected angle inclination, that is beta, distance between projectors, and the horizontal trace H dash and H. So let's start the problem. I am using 0.9 mm HP lead pencil. So I can draw light lines and dark lines with this. Reference line XY, and I'll locate the position P, because P dash is given 10 mm above the HP. This can be O1, and from here it would be exact 10 mm. This is P dash, and I am drawing the locus line from P dash. On this local line I can get Q2 dash also. So let me write down locus line of P dash and Q2 dash. See here, same here, P dash and Q2 dash. Next I'll locate a distance of V dash 15 mm below XY. Just I'll draw the 15 mm locus line down to the reference line. On this only we'll be getting V dash. Next I'll take alpha has 45 degrees and already the front view dimension is given over here. I'll tilt the drafter to the 45 degrees. And I'll draw a line of 60 mm because the P dash is 60 mm. This is Q dash, and this angle is alpha, that is 45 degrees. So I can draw the locus line from this one also. This is locus line of Q dash and Q1 dash also. Q dash and Q1 dash also in the forward method. Next I'll be drawing the locus arc, this one, locus arc of Q2 dash and Q1. I'll be measuring this. Whenever you are using compass, please poke onto the drawing sheet so your needle won't slip from the position. And use shorter pencil so I can easily rotate the compass. This is Q2 dash and this is locus arc of Q dash and Q2 dash here, right? Next, down to the P dash I'll be getting P, so projected down to the Q dash I'll be getting the projector, that is Q. So if this is O1, this one would be O2, another end projector. Next, so for the horizontal trace and vertical trace, if I extend this one, I can get a point on the reference line, that would be your H dash. This is H dash and this is V dash. So this is a vertical trace, so I can draw a line from the vertical trace from here. This point would become V. Next, here this one is 15 mm. So it is given in this data that V dash is 15 mm. So this condition is being satisfied, and from here I can take the location of P dash, that is 10 mm, right? And thus P dash and Q dash is 60. So I can locate front view is equal to 60, right? So up to the given data we have finished this one, and we have to take the phi 30 degrees. So it's a problem that the location of P is not given over here. The P is coming on this projector line, but the position, means distance from XY reference line, is not given here. For this we have to take, we have already got this point. So from this point tilt your drafter to the 30 degrees, because already phi is given here, right? So tilt your drafter to the 30 degrees and keep it V and draw a line, array, right? Next, down to the Q2 dash I'll be getting Q2, same like this, Q2 dash and Q. On to the Q only I'll be getting Q2 only, I'll be getting Q, right? This is the locus line of Q2 and Q. So this would be the one of the end point of the top view. When I extend the top view from here to the V, I can get the location of P over here, this position, right? So I'll be drawing the projector lines from Q2 dash, and that would be meeting over here, means this is Q2. Now I can draw the locus line from here. This is the locus line of Q2 and Q. If this is Q2, on this locus line under this projector you will be getting Q. Now from Q and V, if we join it, we will be getting the final top view. So I'll be drawing dark line up to the projector from P dash to here, and I'll extend this so I can get the traces of this one. You can see if I extend this line, I'll be getting the trace point onto the XY line, reference line, because already this point is been given. So simply if I join V and Q, I'll be getting an intermediate point P. So PQ is the final top view, right? So this is final top view. This is 15 mm, and if I draw the horizontal line, vertical line from H dash to this line, I'll be getting horizontal trace. So this point is H, and this is HT, this is VT. We can find the HT, right? That is around 11 mm, and the final top view we can measure it. This is around 52 mm, means top view is equal to 52, and I have to locate the phi also here. Phi is equal to 30 degrees, right? So finally we got the top view, front view, and alpha is already given, phi is already given. So now I have to locate the beta also, beta and phi. Before that I have forgot to mention to draw the true length, right? So how to get the true length for this one? Now I have to draw the locus line from the P, locus line of P, and the other one I'll be getting Q1. This is locus line of Q1 dash, and this is locus line of Q1, right? So I'll be taking the compass, measuring the distance of top view, and drawing arc, locus arc onto this locus line. So this is locus arc of Q and Q1. So if I draw a perpendicular line, vertical line here, from here, this is Q1. So this is going to intersect on this locus line of Q dash and Q1 dash. This point is Q1 dash. So coming to in this method, P dash and Q1 dash is the true length. True length, that is 60, already given in the question. So here for this question it is not given. So the distance between P dash and Q dash would be your true length. So let me draw the line over here. This is true length, and I can measure from this position to this position. I'll be getting some of the distance. The scale, this would be around 62 or 63. I think it is 63. 66. 66. Okay. So finally we got the true length, that is 66. The top view is 52, and theta, we have to get the theta. So this is the angle of theta with respect to the true length, theta. So I'll be taking the compass, protractor, and I'll measure this angle. I've taken the point over here and I'm measuring this one. This would be around 39 degrees. Theta is 39 degrees. Theta is 39 degrees. Next I have to calculate the beta also. This is the beta. The beta over here is 35 degrees. and the distance between O1 O2 is 43. So this is 43 mm, and H dash is 11 mm. So we got all the other data what I has asked for the question to find out. So here this is the solution for traces problem, the problem of 9.30. I hope everyone understand how to draw this projections of lines for the traces problems. So only we have to dark the vertical trace, horizontal trace, and front view and top view. Other dimensions should be in very light. Other lines, arcs, and other things should be very light. Only the representations Q, Q dash, and other dimensions should be dark, and this line. Okay, I hope everyone understand. Do follow the channel and subscribe it for regular updates in engineering graphics. Thank you.